When you own a car, unexpected problems can arise, especially when traveling. It's not a good feeling when your car doesn't start. Interestingly, most people tend to rely on other people when something happens, waiting for someone to help. However, based on my driving experience, don't expect someone else to come to your rescue. Car problems always happen in some remote areas, and you can't even explain the location because you don't even know where you are. The only person you can truly rely on is yourself. I recommend keeping the following essential items in your vehicle: jump starter cables, a tire inflator, a powerful flashlight, and a portable charging bank. These 4 items are crucial because you never know what will hit you and where. And finally, I stumbled on a fantastic product that includes all 4 features that I mentioned earlier. This little emergency kit made by Buvaye includes a robust power bank that provides power for different modules that can be attached for multiple purposes. It has a large screen and it's made using high quality materials. It's compact, about the size of my hand. It has just 5 buttons to operate. On top there is a connector for the tire inflation cord, and the flashlight is built in. On the bottom it has both USB power connectors for Type A and Type C. The rear is perforated for ventilation so it doesn't get hot. And it has this high quality rubbery material to protect against damage if you accidentally drop or hit it. The build quality is very nice. This kit, unlike others, doesn't just include starting cables, but a portable vehicle jump starter. This means you won't need a second car to jumpstart your dead car. It's a one-man show and it's a huge relief. One of the attachments is jump starting cables. They have 2 clamps for the plus and minus of the battery. Red for positive and black for negative. They connect via this smart interface that safely monitors the electrical load. They attach behind this little orange cover. Once you hook the clamps to your car's battery, which I'm about to show you, the red light means the power bank needs to be charged, and green means it's ready to go. On some models, like this Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the battery is hidden inside the car. You see, there is no visible battery under the hood, but you can find the positive terminal under this plastic, and the negative is attached to the car's body. Open the plastic lid and slide the red cover open. That's the positive terminal of your battery. Battery's plus is always red and negative is attached to the body. First, attach the red clamp to the positive red terminal, and second, attach the black clamp to the ground. The whole metal body frame of the car is ground. Then attach the power bank. I won't do it because this car doesn't need it, but I'm just showing. And go start the car. Very simple. Anyone can do it in just a few seconds. The main issue is when purchasing, it's important to choose high quality jump starter cables. The power bank and the jump starter should include most important features, such as over voltage protection, short circuit protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, high and low temperature protection, and reverse charge protection. Phew! Did I mention every protection? Anyway, you'll have to spend some serious dollars. And now here is the good news. This little kit has everything I mentioned, plus it uses and artificial intelligence to protect the electrical load. Once your dead car has started, disconnect the unit as soon as possible. First, disconnect the black clamp this time, and then the red one. Slide the red cover closed and close the plastic lid. Congratulations, you just saved yourself hours of waiting for someone to come to jumpstart your car. This provides peace of mind, ensuring that you never get stranded. Besides the jump starter, you can attach this tire pumping hose and use it in case tire pressure goes low. Connect the cord on top because that's the only thing you need. It's a one cable cordless operation. You just need to get the power from the power bank. That's it. I recommend checking the tire pressure at least once a month to prolong the life of your tires and save money on gas. Remove the tire stem valve cap so we can attach the universal connector. The way it works, once you attach it, you need to push this lever forward to lock it in place. Very easy, you don't need to screw anything. So no screwing around. Try to attach the connector quickly so we don't let a lot of air out. And push the lever forward to connect. It can't be any easier than that. Pressing the power button once will start pumping the air, but pressing and holding for 3 seconds will switch the power on. When you connect the pump, it will read the current tire pressure. It shows 47 psi, which is normal for this kind of tire. But to show you how it works, I'll let some air out by unlocking it. It takes a few seconds to read, and you can see I have 46 psi right now. The lower button changes the measurement units, so I will change to psi. And then I need to set the pressure where I want the pump to stop automatically by using the plus and minus buttons to 47 psi. Okay, it took only a few seconds to go back to 47 psi. Very quick and easy. Remove the cord and turn the power off by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. To make it simple, I recommend this kit to any driver as a peace of mind. Additionally, this pump comes with 4 extra nozzle attachments, so you can pump balls, swimming balloons, bicycles, and even rubber boats. You can easily attach them to this universal lock without any screwing. The kit also comes with a charging cable, which you can charge from USB Type A to Type C, or from USB Type C to Type A. Once charged at home, it can hold charge for months, if not used on standby. And since it's a power bank, we can charge cell phones, laptops, etc. when we're not at home. Also, it has a built-in flashlight, which is very powerful. I don't know if you can see it. If you press the same button again, it will flash emergency lights. Very useful, especially at night. Press again to slow down. And press again to turn it off. And the best part, because I tested a lot of kits, is that this one is super cheap. It's a great feeling to get such a high quality product at very reasonable price. Okay, let me take it back. If you buy it in places like Amazon, it will be actually expensive. But in this video, I'll show you how to save a lot of money by buying direct from the factory without any middleman. This way you can get this high quality emergency kit at the fraction of the cost. Here you can see two choices, 8,000 mAh and 10,000 mAh. 8,000 is currently on sale for $45. which is super cheap. But I highly recommend getting 10,000 mAh. There is only $5 difference, which is no-brainer. Free shipping from the United States, free return within 90 days. Guys, if that's not the deal, then I don't know what is. I'll provide the link and the special discount code in the link below this video. I like that this kit is very compact, just a bit larger than my hand. So if you like what you see, run and get one for yourself, or actually it can be a great present for your friends or relatives, because nobody knows that you bought it cheap.